Here is step-by-step guide how to open Phantom Wallet account. So first of all, open up your browser and then go to Phantom website. But if you prefer using your phone, you can use App Store or Play Market. Just tap on it and find his search icon at the bottom right corner and type in here Phantom Wallet. Then just find it here and tap on Get button. Confirm while installation this program. After that, just tap on Open button right here. So once we're here, we can see Welcome to Phantom and we can just scroll and read. And after that, I just can tap on Create a new wallet button, or if you already have a wallet, you can tap it down below. So tap on Create a new wallet. First of all, using Face ID, yes, okay. Next, here you can see secret phrase that you can copy to clipboard or make a screenshot. Then after that, tap on OK, I saved it somewhere. So in the new window that appear, tap on Yes. Congratulations, you're all done. After that, just tap on checkbox here and tap Get Started. OK, enable, allow. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Phantom Wallet.